In this tutorial, you will be seeing how I made this design using Canva Pro. I made this video so people can also try this amazing Canva effect in just a few clicks. I hope you will like this video and I will appreciate it much if you hit the like and subscribe button for more free tutorials. Thank you so much. Step 1. Navigate the search tab in Canva under the photo category and type the Nike shoes keyword. It will display many photos related to the keyword. However, we will choose the one I used in my previous post, the man wearing brown pants with white Nike shoes. Now we have the subject or the image that we're going to in this tutorial. Duplicate the image into 3 and follow the screen progress. Let us add some spice to the image by adjusting the blur and contrast effect and see how good it looks once applied. In this space, you'll be playing the sizes of the image as you see in the video, how I align the elements until I find the perfect place or the sweet spot. We will remove the background of the third duplicated image to apply the overlapping effect in the iPhone frame. Once done, we will apply the same filter values we used on the image inside the mobile frame to make them both identical. In this space, we will need to adjust the third image and connect it to the second one to appear more realistic using the overlapping technique. Just play around until you're visually satisfied with your work. Next, we will add a few details to make it look more engaging.